What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm Cody Snow, and you're watching Snow Vision. And today we're going to a pond where I know there's big crappie and big bass. Heard the bite's been tough, but I brought some minnows with me. We're gonna set some minnow lines out, and then we're gonna jig around and see if we can pick up some nice fish. So stay tuned. Whoa. Here, I'm gonna do this without killing myself. Whew. Got a little bit of snow. Holy smokes. There's some people out here yesterday fishing, so I think she's fairly safe, but we'll get out here a little bit and drill a couple holes just to see what we got for general ice thickness. I said snow, I think. Plenty of ice in that spot. Probably 10 inches. This lake has springs in it though, so we'll just have to be careful. 6 feet or something there for a second on the... Now there's something down there towards the bottom. There's quite a few marks of whatever they are. They look huge. I don't know if you guys see that or how well I got that. Get everything covered in snow now. Check the drag. Should be plenty. Little bass. It's a little dinky bass. He's eating good though. Hopefully you guys are cleaned off enough. Chubby little, tiny little guy. Bad.
See you later, bud. Whew. All right. Oh, yeah. Nice bluegill. That is a nice bluegill. Oh. Holy smokes, he is thick. Oh. Look at that. That's a nice bluegill. That's probably 7.5, but just how. Here, let's see if I can rinse him off for you guys quick so you can get a better look at him. That's a nice bluegill. Thick. All right, let's get him back down. A lot of marks down there, a lot of marks. It's always nice when you get to the, get to your first spot. Drop down and catch a couple nice ones. Marking, so. All right. I was out yesterday, or not yesterday, a couple days ago, and it was 20, and today's 30. It was warmer yesterday with the sun out. Shouldn't have washed that first one off. Whew. Oh, there's a mark coming up. Got it. Another nice gill. I probably said there was nice crappie and bass in here, and we're hammering gills. That's all right. I'll take a nice gill. They fight hard. Whew. I didn't get a very good hook in him, but gotta get back down there. There we go. A lot of marks. Yeah, this one's coming up. Oh, scared him. Jeez Louise, they're hungry. That's a nice gill. I'll make a nice fillet for keeping any. Here, let me get my tape out if I have it. I think I have it. There it is. So we have an idea what kind of caliber we're catching. I bet he's 7.5, maybe. They're just so tall, thick. He ain't that big. He might only be 6, but he's 7.5. 7.5. We'll let him keep my waxy. There you go, bud. A heavy 7.5 though. Holy smokes. I'm gonna set my head up. They're obviously doing something around here, so I'm gonna set my hut up right in this area, and then I can venture out from there. Because we are getting covered in snow right now. Holy smokes.
Should go ahead, got out of bed this morning.
Drill some more holes. Just to have them set up. Whew. Seven foot here, a little bit deeper. Disappeared. We're back down here. Oh, there's some bigger marks down there. Got him. This one feels a little nicer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that beautiful thing. He's a beauty. Oh, beauty of a gill. Holy smokes. I mean, I don't know how well the camera's doing him justice, but these are, I mean, 8-inch hole. He's probably 8 inches for sure. Holy smokes. Left the waxies back over at the hut. And I lost it. Leave one in there? Nope. There's gotta be fish, don't it? Oh yeah. Look at this one racing up. Holy smokes! He crushed it. Oh, this is a better fish. What is this? Yes! 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 Frickin' tank, buddy. Yes! Ah. Close your mouth. Close it, close it, close it. Oh, just a hair under 13. Oh, oh my goodness. He is a freaking tank. Oh, rinse him off. Give him a drink, come on. You're all right, buddy. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just, I can't believe how big he is. Come on. Oh, yes. Just a beautiful crappie. Oh, pinch the tail and he's almost 13. Look at that beautiful fish. Yes. Right there. Let's get him back down the hole. Oh, god dang, he came in like a freight train. Holy smokes, that was exciting. That mark was freaking insane. I probably should have stayed over here and tried to catch a couple more, but I was freaking too excited. Oh my god. Tanker. I mean, yes. That's what I came here for. Oh, here we go. There's another one. There's another one. Come on. This is another nice fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no. no, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on, buddy. Oh, God damn it, yes. Oh, my goodness. That freaking one I freaking slammed was probably like, I don't even know. Oh, yes. Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah, she's full. Come on. This thing's huge. 13 and a half. Just a giant. Oh my goodness. Just a giant. Ah, see you, buddy. Come on, you're good. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Good kick. Good kick. Oh. Here comes one. Come on. It's a bigger mark. Oh yeah. Oh shit.